side of the IKEA city. So I think that's a mini IKEA. So this is ground floor. And now it displays, you see. Hedge means hello. So let's go downstairs to have a look around. Swedish deli. So this is a showroom where we're going to have a look around. Yeah. We've actually dining table.
Yeah,
I think imagine this is a Thanksgiving table.
Oh yeah, I think it's Halloween though.
Yeah.
Got spiders and stuff.
Yeah. I didn't know it was sitting there.
That's really what our house is really all about.
This is bookcase Billy. This is giving this photo. Let's see the tunnel from 1-4. This is a dream gaming. So this is the shelves. Does it look similar to IKEA Croydon?
Yeah, this bit is. Probably doesn't have the massive glass.
Should continue shopping. So this is what the kitchen was designed in your house. This will be a kitchen design in your house. This is showroom, kitchen and dining. Well, this is bedrooms. If you see. So we're going to follow the arrows. This is bathroom furniture. So this one is sharks and other toys. Yeah. So, yeah, there's a snake if you see how long it is. If I put it around my shoulder, how long this was on my shoulder. So let's put this back.
What is the acorns up there?
So this is children's IKEA. Yeah, I can see. This is storage box. This is back to start. We're going downstairs, which is market hall. Yeah, just like have a look and go back. Do you see the IKEA Gateshead video before?
IKEA, what's that?
Gateshead. The one that uploaded on YouTube.
Wait, what's that?
IKEA Gateshead. The one in Newcastle.
I haven't been there.
Do you see a video of it? Do you see I had the video of it?
No, I can watch it.
Yeah. So this is toilet baby care room.
What do you think family is
This is textiles. And this is pillowcases, if you see. This is all season dovets. Choose your warm dovet here. Choose your extra warm dovet, if you see. I think this is a bit cold. I felt it, yeah. It's a bit comfortable to me. Let's go. To continue shopping. That's a container. You see? This is home organization and rugs. So we're going to, yeah, it looks like an octopus. So we're going to Lightning. This is LED lights. This is home decoration. Over there. I can feel the air coming from here. And the ceiling. So this is checkout, so we can exit without purchase, if you see. This one is exit. So we skipped ahead. So this is the way out. So let's go back upstairs.
Which way is it? Is it up?
This is up. This is back where we started here,
Yeah, you're right.
like a maze. So this is way out of here. Let's go this way. Yeah. Okay.
See where the IKEA is.
Yeah. So this is a location about where IKEA was located.